Okay, it looks much better. I did go out and get some blue stone. I had some odd blue stone pieces. I went and got them. I'm still thinking I'm going to pick up another bag and give the whole thing like a coat over top of it, because this area here is kind of weak, and well, not weak necessarily, but kind of flaking off. So I think I'll just kind of go over all of it, give it a good coat, like a half inch or something like that. But I do need another bag anyways. Okay, so it's looking much better. Next I have to figure out how I'm gonna, or what I'm putting there and how I'm gonna do it. And then I'm gonna clean this up and see if there's any repair needed down through there, because that's a good shelf too. So basically clean up.